Hey, you in the wheelchair. Yeah, you. Does this look familiar? Get your punk ass up and go buy yourself a new fan! Get rid of that crappy clutch fan and replace it with a brand new electric conversion fan!
Yeah, so clearly, as you guys can see, I went ahead and purchased a newer fan to replace the aux fan that I ripped out, didn't know I needed. This electric fan, it's electric fan conversion. And what that does, it eliminates this clutch fan that clearly doesn't really do diddly. Because, you know, I'm sort of a genius. I already installed it and kind of making the intro as I finished the stuff. So this is the box. I don't have a fan to actually show you, but you'll see in the video. And I'll just give you a brief explanation of what I did. So what I did, I tapped into the wiring for the aux fan and I just pretty much connected to the new fan, and you know, the fan's working good, not overheating. That's it. Yeah. All right. Okay, so I got the fan all mocked up here. It's just temporarily wired up, you know. And now I'm gonna trip the coolant temp switch to make sure that the fan turns on, which it does. Great success. Okay, so I got everything buttoned up. My camera is kind of about to die, so I don't want to waste any battery, so I just went ahead and put it all back together. So now I'm going to start filling the coolant up, and hopefully we're going to test to see if that fan works. All right. So the fan turned on. When this switch reads 88 degrees, the coolant temp switch, that fan will turn on. So it works, that's good. I'm also going to be painting this wall quick. It's going to be record timing. Snap the wrist, as some people would say, so.